Hello everyone, this is Grade 1, Module 6, Lesson 19 homework. The directions say use the strategy you prefer to solve the problems below. So we have 6 on each page, so I'll do 3, and I'll go down the left column here, so I'll do 1, 3, and 5, and I'm going to show you more or less 3 different strategies that you could possibly use. One would be doing a quick drawing with the algorithm on the side, or the vertical method. The next would be using a number bond. And there's a couple different number bonds that we'll use. So I'll show one using vertical method with a drawing next to it. That's 2 strategies there. And then 3 and 5 will each be with a different type of number bond that we could use. So here we go for one. I'm going to set this up vertically. And then off to the left, I'm going to draw my picture to show 53. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for tens. And then I have 1, 2, 3 ones. And I'll do the same thing for 22. 1, 2 tens and 2 ones. So if I can count my ones, they're the circles, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get 75. And I'll show it over here because I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And then when I counted my tens, I had 7 tens. So that's showing vertical method over here, and that's also with my drawings over here. Okay, let's take a look at 3, and I'm going to do a number bond for this one. So if you like any of the strategies in one and that's the one you prefer, you can do all of them like that, but I'll show a different one over here. So what I'll do is I see I have 76 and I need 4 more to get me to my next 10. And I know that 4 and 10, so 4 and 10 make 14. So I'm going to do 76 plus 4 to get my next 10 of 80. And then I'm going to take that 80 and I'm going to add it to the 10 that I still have here in my number bond. So 8 tens plus 1 10 is 9 tens or 90. And then just because I want to show something a little different, I'm going to go to 4. And I'm going to do another number bond, but I could show this vertically as well. And I'm going to break it apart this time by the tens and the ones. So 76 can be broken into 7 tens or 70 and 6 ones. 16 is 1 10 and 6 ones. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the tens first. So 70 plus 10, or 7 tens plus 1 10, is 80, or 8 tens. And then I have my 6 ones and my 6 ones. And I can put 6 in my head and count on, or if I really need to, I can break apart this 6 into 4 and 2 so I can make a 10 there. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And then I'm going to add these two. 80 plus 12. I'll add my 0 ones and my 2 ones to get 2. 1 10 and 8 tens to get 9 tens or 90. And I have 92. So a bunch of different methods or strategies you could use, and I probably left a few of them out that you might have. But the good part with the directions say, use the strategy you prefer. So let's go to slide 2, and I'll show one more of each of these. So now we're on page 2, and I'm going to use a similar setup for it, similar strategies. Let's start with the first one here, and I'll do vertical. And I'm going to do a drawing off to the side here to show as well. So 2 different strategies. And I'm going to do 49. And then I'm going to do dots for the 9. And you're going to see that I'm doing 5 and then another 4. And then for the 25, I got to do 2 for the 10 and 5 for my 1s. So if I count all of these 1s up, I'm trying to make a group of 10. And I know I can with this and with this. So that's a 10. And I'm going to bring it over here. And I'm left with my 4 1s right there. Now I can count my 10s, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the way I would have shown that over for the vertical method, I made my group of 10 here. So I bring over 110, and it can go here, down below, or I can put it up above. Either way is fine, same thing. And then I'll bring my 4 1s down. And now I can, just like I did over here, I counted my 10s to get to 7 10s. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So, very similar strategy, just showing how I'm making 10 on the left. And over on the right is the vertical method, how it translates to the vertical or the standard algorithm. The next one down below, 9. I'm going to do a number bond. And this one lends itself to breaking it apart. So I'll do 30 and 7 to get my 37. And I know that that's the same thing, luckily, because it's 37 plus 37. I'll add my 10s. So 3 10s plus 3 10s, or 30 plus 30 is 60, or 6 10s. And then I have my 7 1s plus 7 1s. And I can count on from 7, or I can break this apart and get my make 10 right here. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus the 4 is 14. And then I'm just going to add these two. 6 10s are 60, plus 14. 0 1s and 4 1s is 4. 6 10s and 1 10 is 7 10s or 70. So I have 74. And I'm going to rewrite that. And now for my last one, I'll do another number bond to show how I'm making 10 first. So this is 48. I need 2 more. And if I take 2 from the 24, I know that there's 22, because 22 and 2 make my 24. So that's my number bond. I'm going to add this first to get to my 10. So 48 plus 2 gets me to my next 10 of 50, or 5 10s. I'm going to take that 50, and I'm going to add it to what I have left in my number bond of 22. 0 1s and 2 1s make 2. 2 10s and 5 10s make 7 10s or 70. So my answer is 72. So we showed a few different strategies in here: vertical drawing, and 2 styles of use of number bonds. But again, the directions are stating use the strategy you prefer to solve the problems below. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your homework.